Hey guys, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and happy holidays. I hope your holiday season is going well. You guys have been on my journey for a bit with hair removal, from the laser hair treatment down to waxing, and so now I want to talk about treatments. This video is not sponsored, but all of these items have been gifted to me. One brand I have not tried before, but I know that so many people have tried before, and that's the Billie brand. They sent me 2 of their holiday gift sets, which I'm super excited about. Thank you to Billie and to Magic Links for setting that up. I've never used the Billie Razor before, but I've always seen the ads and I've heard so many things about it, so I'm definitely curious to see how that shave goes. And they have a bunch of other products that I had no idea, but the great thing is that the brand is entirely vegan, so I'm definitely open to trying everything. That's very important to me. I reached out to a brand that I saw actually on Instagram. It's called Bush Balm. It has exfoliators, it has treatments for ingrown hairs and dark spots, redness, irritation, etc. That is something that I definitely deal with and something that I wanted to see what products would work for me, so I've been trying them out for a couple of weeks, and that one I can't wait to share with you how it's been going. So let's get into it. Okay, so can we talk about how cute right off the bat Billie is? These are 2 holiday gift sets that they have. One is their Smooth Operator gift set, and the other one is their Life of the Party gift set. In the Smooth Operator gift set, it comes with the Billie Razor right here, which I'm going to be trying out in a little bit. It also comes with replacement razors, which is great. Dry by body lotion, a shaving cream that has aloe vera and sage. Instead of using a suction cup to store your razor, it says it magically connects. It should be sticking to the wall, and I think that's really, really nice because the suction ones just kind of like slide down. And then in the Life of the Party set, which I love that name, I think that's so fun, I have some biodegradable wipes, which I'm really happy for. I do try to avoid using wipes. At the very least, if I do, I would hope that they are biodegradable, which is great. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. They have a dry shampoo, which looks really cool, and this one is specifically for dark hairs. And then this is really cool, I had no idea, but they have these lip balms, which is awesome. I got 3 colors. I'm wearing rhubarb, like rhubarb pie or something like that, but I actually like it. It's got a subtle color on it, which is really nice. I also got fig and I got sorbet. I really like the way that this is so far on my lips. It feels nice and moisturizing, and I really do like that little pop of color. Just looking at it initially, it's like a plastic handle at the top, and then it's got the matte finish on the bottom, which I almost wish that it was matte all the way around, but that's just my preference. I do like the 2-tone in colors, that's cool. 5 blades, and it also says it has a charcoal strip, and that is for like a deep cleaning while you're shaving, so that should be pretty interesting. You're probably gonna be like, hey, I don't see any hair, but I'm telling you there's hair there, so let's do this. This consistency is nice and thick. I just realized I don't need to be like that close. Okay. Technically it says work it into a rich lather, so let me try to do that on this side so it's like proper. I just like don't want to waste the product, so if I work into a rich lather, I don't know how to show you guys, but there's like string. I don't know how to like show you. I think it might be the charcoal thing, but like as I'm like swiping, do you see how there's like this like sticky thing? The good news is that I don't feel any like stinging or irritation. The razor itself I really like. I really like the shaving cream because I feel like I like that it's creamy. I feel like it protects my skin from just the razor going into it. I like the hold of the razor. I like that the blades are actually really good. I feel a little weird about the sticky residue that I showed you guys. I think that that's kind of like a but it's not a deal breaker for me because that was like a really fast shave, and usually I feel like I'm swiping, I'm going different angles. That was like 1, 2, 3, go, and I bet that's probably because of the 5 razors, so that's pretty dope. So if you've been following my journey for hair removal, most recently I switched back to waxing my bikini area, and the one thing that I always talk about in my videos is how I'm dealing with dark scars, ingrown hairs, and irritation and all that, and like what can I do to help that. Is anybody like when they shop for swimsuits are like, great, definitely can't do any of those high-waisted ones because it's not gonna look cute. Like that is such a struggle, and so that's something that I want to be focusing on and be really conscious of trying to treat and heal my skin. Bushbalm sent me 3 products, and it's only been a couple weeks now, but I I want to update you on things that I've seen right off the bat. So the first thing that's so important, again, once you're done shaving or with any hair removal, etc., is to exfoliate and to do daily exfoliation. Every day I've been using the Nude Exfoliating Body Polish, and this is basically a sugar scrub. This brand is vegan, it's cruelty-free, all natural ingredients, and I'm just such a fan of that. We're just getting right down to it, no synthetic anything involved. It has sugar, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, copaiba, and tea tree essential oils. And tea tree is really, really important for anyone that's looking to heal their ingrown hairs, deal with redness and irritation. The nice thing about the sugar scrub is that it does dissolve pretty quickly. So I do this on my bikini area every single day, and it leaves my skin so soft and smooth. You just apply on wet skin. I've been seeing a lot of dry skin on my legs, so I use the exfoliation to take off those dead skin cells, to smooth the skin. This is so good, and it is gentle enough for daily use, and I'm so happy with how my skin has been reacting with it. And it has just like a light scent to it. It's probably the essential oils. My main concerns are dark spots, hyperpigmentation, ingrown hairs, irritation, literally all those things. So when I was reaching out to Bush Balm, we were talking back and forth about which one would work best for me. And the first one that I'll talk about is the Bermuda Oil. This one mainly focuses on dark spot treatment. It also helps with ingrown hairs, relieving redness and irritation. And then this one is their limited edition oil. The scent is pumpkin spice, and this one focuses strictly on the irritation, the redness, the ingrown hairs, etc. So I think if you don't have the main concern, like your main concern is not dark spot treatment, then you can get the limited edition pubic oil. But if you are concerned with dark spot treatment, like, do this. This will help, but this is like the extra addition. So I wanted to go with both. And basically what I do is I trade off on days. Every day after I step out the shower, they say within 2 minutes you should apply one of these oils to the area that you're concerned with. One day I use the Bermuda oil, and the next day I use the limited edition oil, and I just keep rotating. They both have the same consistency, which is a light oil that's pretty runny, and you just put it right into the area or right onto your skin. It's fast absorbing. Both of them are vegan. I love that both of them don't contain many ingredients. This one has 5 oils in them, and this one has 8 oils. Both of them just smell so nice. I love the pumpkin spice one, but I also love this one too, the Bermuda. It smells similar to the exfoliating body polish, and that's probably the tea tree oil. The first thing that I've noticed is that my skin is so soft, like so soft. It's only been like 3 weeks or so, so I can't say like, oh my gosh, I'm cured. But I will say I have not seen any ingrown hairs. I have a softening of the skin. I've not seen any more dark spots pop up, which is golden. We're hoping to stay on that path. I have some dark spots here, and I think I'm gonna start using it. Actually, I'm gonna just start doing that right now. So I'm just gonna put that back here. And I think I'm just gonna do that every day just to go ahead and start lightening those former acne scars. These oils do not clog pores, so that's one thing that they've said on their website, and I can attest to it. I have not seen any clogged pores where I'm using it, which is in my bikini area. I would say that the dark spot treatment for my skin, usually darker skin, takes a longer time to heal. I'll probably check back with you guys around 2 months, but I'm already really impressed by what I see. I'm like getting really excited. Anyone else that struggles with dark spots, ingrown hairs, irritation, like you're always just like, what could help me? I'm really happy so far with the Bush Balm, and I highly recommend it. I'll have information down below if you want to try it. I'm really glad that Instagram once again has steered me in the right direction to finding a product that I'm actually impressed with and really like. These are like my new favorite buddies that I've been enjoying for the past couple of weeks. In a month or two, I'm gonna reach back out and tell you my honest opinion, but so far I am loving it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.